Okay, guys, we're here with Tom, longtime fisherman, and we are going to open the May Mystery Tackle Box Elite. Second one I've had. First one was great. I'm going to use this big knife here to open this little box. All right, let's see what we got. First one was an excellent box, so I'm curious to see if this one is going to be the same. So it's filled to the top. Have a
nice ruler on the box too, in case you want to take the box fishing with you.
yeah.
That's always good.
All right. So what's in the box? All right. So we have our what's inside. Some stickers.
Ooh, what's on the stickers? For real.
For real.
Oh,
Take that home with you. A Lund
nice.
sticker.
They
All right.
should make it like a tattoo, so you can give it to your kids.
Right.
You know those stick-on tattoos you do with the water.
Yeah.
That
Nice.
would be cool.
Okay. All right. So we have Game Changer Eliminator lure. Dude, look at this. This is actually
That's wicked.
pretty freaking awesome. Wreck 'em. Good color, blue, green. It's a blue crawl. Called a blue crawl. Dude, check those out. Those are actually pretty awesome.
Okay, it looks like it's got some action on the tail too.
Yeah.
Now, what are they
That'd
got
be a
them
good-
numbered too. I wonder if they're numbered because of the weight, maybe.
Oh,
One,
that's
two, three,
actually
four?
pretty awesome. I don't know why. We'll have to look at that. So, here we go. Next lure, Game Changer Trash Master. This is a nice weedless design jig. Good color again. Value on this is $5.50. Same as the soft bait, $5.50.
And it's better if you don't use it in weeds too. It's really weedless then.
Yeah.
You don't lose it.
All right, this is gonna be a Teckle Sprinter. Dude, what is that? Is it a duck? All right, check this out. It's like in a soft frog.
Frog.
It's called a Sprinter. The hook's made in Japan. What? Dude, that is a unique, I'll be curious to try that. I don't know where I would use it around here. So we're in a low vegetation lake, so not probably very pertinent. Again, we have frogs. Price on the Teckle is $14.99 on that white Teckle.
Why do they say catch, kiss, and release? I ain't kissing them damn fish.
That's what you do.
No.
All right.
Maybe down here.
Yeah. So ribbit soft bait lure, yellow and green frog with little it's a good trailer rig. Anyway, $3.40 on this is the original retail right there. Pretty cool
That
little
doesn't
lure.
that good. There's no hooks in it though.
No, you gotta
You
use
gotta
your
bring your
own
own.
hooks.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So this is a really pretty booyah
Hula
Pop.
popper?
hula popper. They call it a boss pop. Dude, look at the
Yeah,
look at the
that's kinda
color
cool,
and the pattern on the side of that guy. I mean, he's got some real detail in this
Yeah.
popper.
The fish should go, ooh.
Check
see
that out. Check that out.
That's kind of wicked.
All right, so this next lure, that popper is valued at $8. This next lure is valued at $30. $30.
No, I've been checking that one out.
It's probably the biggest lure I've seen ever. This thing is crazy. So this is a Weston Freddy the Frog. Check this mammy jammy out. $30.
Damn. You almost gotta buy another tackle box just to put that one in.
I'm gonna have to buy another tackle box. I'm gonna have to buy another boat just to haul this lure around. Dude, check this
So
out.
here, hold it up to the.
I mean, yeah,
Okay,
this
so you
thing
see
is the
how big
whole
it is.
box. The box is 8 inches long. 8 inches.
And
All right.
if you don't catch a fish with this, you'll sure scare the shit out of the fish when it hits the water.
That
Damn,
is a cool,
massive. Yeah.
cool looking lure there.
I want to go out and see what the action is on it.
Yeah.
That's probably gotta be cool as hell. Too bad we didn't got a bathtub here. We could test it out.
That'd be awesome. So again, about $60 on the Elite worth of lures here. About $60. This is the May mystery tackle box.
They put a cancer and reproductive warning on it.
Well, that's California.
Yeah, well, who's gonna eat it? Besides the fish.
So $60. $30 Weston frog. We have some soft frogs. Some nice, really nice. I'm actually going to use these Eliminator blue crawls probably for a trailer.
It's got a sticker in it too.
And we get a sticker and the
Western sticker.
football jig, popper, really, really cool stuff. Stuff I wouldn't normally buy because it's not fruiting in my lake, but I'm gonna try some new lakes and try these lures out. Thanks for watching.